when you search up on Twitter, you're going to see the Binance gift card. It's going to tell you how to redeem it, how to so this is basically how it looks like, but this is a used one. This user has already used it, but this is how it works. Now, as a business user, you want to know how to top up your business, or how to go about using this gift card, because it is currently one of the new innovations to boost your sales, to boost your the utilities or the attractions in your business place of business operations. Now, this is a business place where they sell wide variety of items here. This is the location is currently I think this location is Ghana, but you can click on it. When you click on it, it's going to show you how it works, and you can see there are lots of reactions. These are likes, these are also comments, these are also reposts. Now it talks about how users or individuals are craving for services like this, where you can use your gift card and be able to purchase anything you want to purchase. Now you can go to a store that is offering these services, get a gift card equivalent using your Binance app, and switch it up. You could also gift out these gift items to individuals that are close to you, and tell them that, okay, take this gift card is for you, I bought a gift card for you, and this is the equivalent of the gift card. Now these users could come over to shops like this or places like this, or they can even trade online. If your shop or business allows online deliveries and online purchase, or have an e-commerce website, now you could easily do this and they can shop. You can see this user is paying for a gold chain necklace, and you can see laudable you can see feedbacks that users are currently giving out. Now this is really cool. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to push through with this. So when you go over to the Binance gift card for business place, for businesses, you can see the Binance gift card, your crypto business solution. Now this is meant to support business owners. Now you can sell any crypto token via Binance gift card. The Binance gift card supports over 270 cryptocurrencies and many fiat currencies. Now you can earn with every transaction you make, as well as participate in promotions on the Binance platform. Now you also you just need stable coins to get started, and once you're done with that, you are good to go. Yeah, so the Binance gift card is a prepaid crypto voucher that can be used for a variety of use cases, including crypto deposits and withdrawal on Binance platform. Now you can also sell these immediately, convert them to crypto, and depending on the one you currently want to use. So you can decide, okay, you want to be accepting just stable coins in gift cards, and individuals can do that for also, or you can also tell them that whichever one they want to use, maybe any other cryptocurrency like Dogecoin or what, you can easily swap it once they meet up with the transaction or the equivalent that you want to use. So this is something for you to note also. So right here you can sell your gift card, you can facilitate crypto transfer, you could also use it for numerous purposes. Now, looking for ways to partner up with the Binance platform, there's an FAQ here on how to partner up and also use the API in your let's say you have an e-commerce website. There's a way to go about it. Now there's a step-by-step tutorial here. You can also click on the contact us option. Now when you go over to this article here that talks about how to print your physical Binance gift cards, you could print them up on the shop there. Now you could use these any of these professional printing shop services to do these printing. It says all you need to do once you're logged into your Binance account and you funded your or created an account or you funded your wallet, click on the bot create history to view your bulk order history. You can filter them by creation token or order status. Select the gift card you want to print and click the printer icon, and automatically to be generated for you. Select the merchant's name and information to be displayed. So there's a complete helpful tutorial guide there. Now once you're done with that, click on the preview my gift card option to preview the template. So this is the template you'll be seeing. This is the template and how it's going to look like. Once you're satisfied with this outlook, you just print it out and voila, you've successfully printed out your physical one. Then you can use it for individuals that are interested in having a physical one on your shops. Now this is the API format, and how to download it and set up the API on your website or on your app. it says register and download on the once you log into the Binance platform. Just go over to the API management center. Once you're done with that, you want to check the list of APIs. You can get the API key and secret key. Note that you should never share your API key, because the funds in your wallet can be easily swapped for it. So those are some stuff you want to know. Security measures. Now, call Binance gift card API to generate signature and timestamps. So this is also for those people that are familiar with printing basic recharge cards into recharge card services. You can also do this services. Now, what is the bulk create function offered by Binance gift card? Is a newest feature, and some of the benefits are because it's efficient. You can see lots of feedbacks people users are getting. Now, the world is going digital, so most individuals are currently opting out for means in which they can benefit from trading or transacting online without having to part away with normal fiat currency, because moving around with fiat is a little bit very stressful. So you want to be security conscious. You want to have your funds in a place where you can easily put in your password, get them out, and use them for whatever services you want to use. You can see it's flexible, customizable, so you could customize them with the name of your loved one, like Happy Val, my sweetheart, whatever it is for your customers, or you could customize them for your individual customers. You could also use them as appreciations for your customers, that okay, the a customer of the month award, you're giving out a gift card to them. The gift card is currently worth about $50. They can use this to shop anytime they come to the shop. It also works more like a loyalty card for shops that are familiar with a loyalty card. So if you're a marketing agent for your company or your product manager, you want to look into creating these gift card opportunity for your businesses, and this will be a very good function. So all you need to do, just register on Binance, click on the registration icon, set up an account, and make sure to use our affiliate link once you're registering, and you also get access to lots of benefits and giveaways. You could also tell your customers to also sign up on the Binance platform, and hopefully you should be rewarded with about there's currently an ongoing promotions of about $1,000. I'm going to put the picture in the screen. I'm going to try and put up the picture or the notifications up, so you can also get access to that. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. One love, stay tuned, and see you in a stress-free world full of profit making and more. One love.